In this video, I'm going to show you how to customize YouTube TV's Quad-Box Multiview feature for a personalized viewing experience. Quad-Box Multiview allows you to watch up to 4 live streams simultaneously, making it perfect for keeping up with multiple games or events at once. To use this feature, open the YouTube TV app or website and log into your account. Start by playing any live event, then look for the Multiview icon, usually represented by a square divided into 4 sections, and click on it. From there, you can add up to 3 more live streams by selecting them from the channel guide or search bar. You can resize or rearrange the boxes by dragging them into your preferred layout, ensuring the most important stream is front and center. If you want to remove a stream, simply click the X button on the specific box. Keep in mind that Multiview is only available for live content and requires a stable internet connection to handle multiple streams at once. And that's all there is to it. If this video helped you learn how to customize YouTube TV's Quad-Box Multiview, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.